Hey folks, Sam with KC Lawns. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your truck without a backup camera and set your trailer on it. So if you have another guy, it's going to be a whole lot easier because you're going to be able to have him point you in a direction. Line him up, straighten him out, and then show him what is the distance until he gets right there. If you get this close, a lot of times you can kind of sit it on there and let it rest and then take this and shift it over. Drop it down a hair, and there it goes. This here dump trailer has a pin that you need to take off this here and pull that and raise this all the way up yonder. That pin back on there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the chains, put them on here. Typically these chains, they're like this long. And if you don't twist them, they'll drag and you'll have to buy new ones. So what I do is I twist it so that it gets a little bit closer like that. And then you're taking this boy right here, plugging her in, or him. You take this right here, the breakaway clip, and then you clip it somewhere on your vehicle. Sometimes you'll have to do one of these, use some leg power. There you go, look at that, it cinches up right nicely on this. You wanna make sure that you do this. This is very important. If you don't do this and you have a heavy load in the back, then this whole thing is just gonna come up. And that right there is how you back up a truck without a backup camera and put a trailer on your hitch. If this was helpful, be sure to like the video, and then if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.